Hello students, today we will see page 51. Now read these sentences. I have two cats at home. I had a piano but it broke. Rob has a toy robot. Do you have many toys? Students, in these sentences we learned the use of have, had and has. Let us read the sentences. What is given in the box? We use has when we talk about one person or thing. Means has का प्रयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हम किसी एक व्यक्ति या चीज की बात करते हैं. We use have with I and you. Means have का प्रयोग हम केवल प्रोनाउन I और you के साथ ही करते हैं. We also use have when we talk about more than one person or thing. Means have का प्रयोग हम तभी करते हैं जब हम एक से अधिक व्यक्तियों या चीज़ों की बात करते हैं. We use had to talk about things that took place in the past. Means had का प्रयोग हम तब करते हैं जब हम बीती हुई चीज़ों की बात करते हैं. Means we talk about the past. When we talk about the past, we use the word had. Let us see exercise H. Circle the right answer, has, have or had. Number 1. I have a talking parrot called Kiki. Students, we learned that with the pronoun I, we have to use the word have. So here we have circled have. So it is correct. Number 2. Kiki has bright green feathers. Here in the sentence, Kiki, we are talking about only one. So we have circled in has. So it is correct. Number 3. My cousins have a pet dog. Here in the sentences, we are talking about my cousins, means more than 2 persons. So therefore here we have circled in have. So it is correct. Number 4. Do you have a pet? Students, we learned that with the pronoun you, we have to use the word have. So here we have circled in have. It is correct. Number 5. I had fever yesterday. Here in the sentence we are talking about the past. So therefore we have circled in the word had. So it is correct. Number 6. I do not have fever today. In this sentence we are talking about present. So therefore we have circled in the word have. Also here it is pronoun I, and we have learnt with pronoun I we have to use the word have. So it is correct. So students, I think you understood how we have circled in the answer. Next we will see listen and learn. So exercise I. Listen and answer the questions. Means we have to listen and answer the questions. What the question is being asked. Number 1. Who is sitting under the tree? Who is sitting? So answer will be Joy is sitting under the tree. Number 2. What is he doing? So what Joy is doing? So answer will be he is listening to music. Number 3. Is Joy sleeping? Students, in number 2, we saw that Joy is listening to music. So, therefore, we think or I think Joy is not sleeping. So, answer will be no. Number 4, did he come by car? Answer, no, he came by bus. Number 5, why is he sitting here? Answer will be because he is tired. Number 6, when did Joy come? So answer will be this morning. We will see next page, page 52. Let's talk. Exercise J. Choose a partner and practice asking questions and answering them. Ask questions using what, when, where, who, why, and how. Here we are asked to choose partner and practice asking questions and answering them. And to ask question, we have to use the words what, when, where, who, why, and how. So students, here some questions are given. Also the answer also is given. So let us read. What have you got for lunch? Answer, I have got sandwiches. Who made the sandwiches? Answer, my brother made them. Why are you eating inside the classroom? Answer, I am eating inside because it's too hot outside. So, we saw students have here the question and answer is given. Next, we will see questions you can ask. Means, you can use with your partner. Here some questions are given using the words what, when, where, who, why, and how. So let us read it. What is your favorite toy? Or we can say, what is your favorite dish? Or what is your favorite place? Next, who is your best friend? Where is your English notebook? Or where is your pencil box? Or where is your water bottle? Next, when do you have breakfast? Or when do you have dinner? Or when do you go to bed? Next, how do you come to school? Or we say, how do you spend your holidays? Next, why are you late today? Or other question, why were you absent yesterday? So students, these questions you can use with your partner to practice. Next, let's write. Exercise K. Read and answer the questions. Here we have to read and answer the question. Here we can see the conversation having between Tashi and Zara. So Tashi, Zara, who is your favorite relative? Zara replies, my favorite relative is my aunt. She is my mother's sister. Tashi, what does she do? Zara replies, she is a nurse. Tashi, where does she work? Zara replies again, she works in a big hospital in Mumbai. Tashi, why do you like her? Zara replies, she is kind and helps people. So here, students, I think you understood how they were having conversation between them. Next, we will see page 53. Students, here you can see some questions are given. It is related to exercise K. And I think you understood the conversation between them, means Tashi and Zara. So it is related to that. So let us read what is given here. Number 1, who is Zara's favorite relative? Answer will be Zara's favorite relative is her aunt. Number 2. What does Zara's aunt do? Answer. Zara's aunt is a nurse. Number 3. Where does Zara's aunt work? Answer. Zara's aunt works in a big hospital in Mumbai. Number 4. Why does Zara like her aunt? Answer. Zara likes her aunt because she is kind and helps people. So students, we have completed here also. And exercise L I gave you in homework. Here it is asking us to do is that now ask and answer questions about your favorite relative. You may use the hints in the boxes. Here boxes are given and some hints also is given. So you can use it because I do not know who is your favorite. So just you choose and do it by yourself. And also after filling in the book, you jot down in your note copy also. We end the class here. Thank you.